Hi, welcome to Sand VFX. In our upcoming lesson, I will show you how to create fantasy crystal scene in 3ds Max. The scene itself is fairly simple, but we will cover various topics. We will start by modeling the crystals and floor. Using forest pack, we'll scatter our rocks. For those who don't have forest packs, I will show you how you can achieve similar result using Corona Scatter. Then we'll look at some basic composition rules so that we can arrange the pieces in an interesting way. After that, we'll create some basic materials for the rocks and the crystal. Once the materials are set up, we look at Corona volume material to create atmospheric fog. Moving on to After Effects for our post-processing, I will show you how to composite, render passes, and show some color correction techniques. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified once the tutorial is up.